Okay, let me try this again. David Sedaris, Boat Calypso in the background if you're wondering. This is for people who like to make their own curtains or home decor. This is for the bathroom. See this one? Two different styles. You got seashells here. And this is just, you know, frilly, whatever. Curtains. Let's see, curtains and drapes. You got the, you know, the cafe style, and then curtains. Here is home decor with curtains. You got bedding here. That's flash yapping. Round table, or no, is that, no, that's not a table, it's a chair. There's chairs. You know, ottoman cover. Chair cover. Here's cafe style curtains. See them? And you got the poofy ones, you got the swag. Which is this one? Oh, the poof Valance. And this is kind of like a droopy Valance. This one is pretty much the same, it seems. You know, you got, these are like the cafe curtain style for your kitchen windows. See there, you got the droopy, you got the frilly right there, you got the poof. And this one right here seems to be exactly like the other one. I don't know why. They're different pattern numbers. 5741, 8080. It looks exactly the same. Poofy Valance, got little frillies. You got the swoop right here. And then you got like the cafe style, the V or whatever you call that. Anyways, I'll put the link in the description.